Good morning, good morning mga ka-showbiz. Para sa ating showbiz balita sa araw na ito, David Licauco at Barbie Fortesa, engaged na nga ba? Disclaimer lang po mga ka-showbiz, hindi po sa akin galing ang balitang ito. Magbibigay lang po tayo ng ating komento at reaction kung totoo ba ang balitang engaged na si Barbie Fortesa o hindi. Medyo English ang balitang ito mga ka-showbiz, no, na nahagilap naman natin sa mundo ng social media. Kaya nga kayo na ang humusga. Panoorin at pakinggan ang buong video para mahusgahan nyo kung ito'y tunay o hindi.
Engagement alert. Barbie Fortesa and Davis Licauco are officially a couple. Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have some exciting news that's been buzzing around the internet. Grab your popcorn because we're diving into the engagement of our favorite on-screen couple, Barbie Fortesa and Davis Licauco. So, let's get started. Just recently, Barbie Fortesa took to social media to share the big news. She and Davis Licauco are officially engaged. The announcement was made in the most heartwarming way, with a romantic post showcasing their journey together. Fans have been thrilled, and the comments section is overflowing with love and support. But before we dive deeper into their engagement, let's take a quick look back at how this beautiful relationship blossomed. Barbie and Davis first starred together in the hit series Maria Clara at Ibarra. Their chemistry was undeniable, and viewers couldn't help but root for them both on and off screen. From their playful banter to those heart-stopping romantic moments, it was clear that this was more than just acting. Fans began to speculate about their off-screen relationship, and it seems like those whispers were spot on. Now, let's talk about the details of the engagement itself. Barbie shared a series of stunning photos that captured the magic of the moment. The ring? Absolutely breathtaking. A classic design that perfectly complements her style. And did we mention the location? A picturesque sunset that set the perfect backdrop for this unforgettable day. The fan reactions have been nothing short of epic. Let's check out some of the most heartwarming comments from their followers. Many expressed their joy and excitement, saying things like, "Finally! You two deserve all the happiness in the world, and can't wait to see your journey together. And look at this amazing fan art celebrating their love." It's clear that their fans are invested in their relationship and can't wait to see what the future holds. So, what's next for Barbie and Davis? Many are speculating about a possible wedding date, but knowing these two, they might keep us guessing a little longer. We hope to see more adorable moments from them, both on social media and in their future projects. That wraps up our special segment on the engagement of Barbie Fortesa and Davis Licauco. What do you think about their love story? Are you excited to see what's next? Let us know in the comments below.
Sa akin personally, mga ka-showbiz, kung ako ang tatanungin, mas gusto ko nga na magkaroon na ng engagement o engage na sina Barbie Fortesa at David Licauco. Kaya nga lang po, parang dito sa sinasabi niya, speculation or parang hinala, parang ano, yun lang daw, parang yun napapansin lang nila. Na parang ganun, na parang ibang level na yung relasyon ng Barda, si Barbie Fortesa at David Licauco. Parang sinasabi lang po nila na hindi normal sa pagiging love team yung ipinapakita nila, which is tama naman po. More than friendship, more than love team na yung pinapakita ng Barda. Kaya nga lang po, hindi pa rin po sigurado kung totoo yung sinasabi na nagkaroon na ng engagement ang Barda, Barbie Fortesa at David Licauco. Gayun pa man mga ka-showbiz, antayin na lang natin yung official announcement mismo ng Barda. Sila po mismo ang magsasabi galing po sa kanilang mga bibig na engage na sila. Tsaka marami naman po sigurong video, hindi yan palalagpasin ng GMA7 na maglabas ng official video statement ng dalawa if ever man na totoo yung gagawin nilang engagement. para sa mga bagong balitang showbiz. Ugaliing tumutok dito sa ating channel at mag-subscribe at i-hit ang notification bell para laging mauna ka sa mga bagong balitang showbiz.